how to export CapCut templates without watermark. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can export CapCut templates without watermark. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Now here, at the bottom of the screen, you can see 4 different options. Click on the second option, Templates. Now, select any templates you like. Click on the Use Template option and select your video clip. Click on Next button. Once the clip is added to your template, now click on Export button in order to export the video. Now here you can see 2 different options. First is Export without watermark and second is Export. In order to save the video without watermark, click on Export without watermark option. Now the video will be exported on a device without that watermark. Now it may open the TikTok application automatically, you can just get out of it. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.